This power plant supplies steam and electricity to a nearby corn processing facility. After installing low-NOx burners, their boiler faced fireside corrosion near sootblower openings, which accelerated tube wall thinning. Traditional pad welding was costly and short-lived, with rising asset risk and limited outage time. The team needed a faster, more durable fix. IGS applied HVTS cladding to 7-foot bands around each soot blower, within spec and ahead of schedule. Despite prior repairs and limited prep time, the project met every spec. Cladding covered over 1,600 square feet with no safety incidents. 2.5 years later, inspections confirmed the HVTS cladding to be in as-applied condition, protecting critical wear zones and maintaining uptime. Now the plant plans to extend protection, a continuous barrier around soot blowers to further preserve boiler reliability. Protecting performance, preserving reliability. That's asset vitality.